This video is sponsored by Airalo. Okay, hold up. Before you go jetting across the sea on that next adventure of yours, you're gonna wanna see this. International data without those ridiculously high roaming charges. What's up, internet? I'm Brian MacDuff, aka BMAC, and welcome to another video. And if you like videos about tech reviews, product unboxings, and filmmaking and photography tutorials, make sure you smash that subscribe button with all notifications turned on so that you never miss another video on this channel. So by now, chances are you've heard about eSIMs. eSIMs are the new digital-only version of the SIM cards you've probably already been using for years. But did you know that there are eSIMs that could take the pain out of high roaming bills by giving you high quality and affordable global data connectivity in hundreds of different countries all across the world? It's true. And that's where Airalo comes in. Airalo is the world's first eSIM store that lets you pick and choose eSIMs with dedicated data packs in over 200 countries and regions to keep you connected no matter where your next adventure takes you. Gone, finally, are the days where you have to deal with roaming limits or scramble to find a SIM vendor at the airport, because with Airalo, you can now stay connected with dedicated data plans with clear and easy to see durations and prices. No matter where you are, you could instantly browse the Airalo store for affordable and transparent eSIMs. Plus, you'll have access to a support team every day, all day, 365 days a year. But enough of me telling you about it, let me show you how it actually works. Here you can see that I've actually launched the Airalo app on my iPhone, and immediately I have the option of searching data packs from 200 plus countries and regions. But I could also see an organized list of local eSIMs, regional eSIMs, and even global eSIMs. Let's say that I've finally committed to that trip to Ireland that I've always wanted to do. In the Airalo app, with the single click of a button, I can immediately see all of the eSIM plans currently available in Ireland. A quick scroll, and I can see the data packs and all of the corresponding durations. And once I found the one that I want, I simply click Buy Now, and I'll be brought to some more eSIM information. I'll see the eSIM itself, the type of network, the plan type, the activation policy, and more. Again, all at the simple touch of a button. In most cases, the validity period will start when the eSIM connects to any supported networks, so I could plan ahead of time or even get my eSIM after I've already arrived. From here, I just continue by clicking Buy Now, and then I'll be prompted to choose my payment method, apply a code, or use Air Money. And after agreeing to terms and conditions and confirming that my device is eSIM compatible, I just check out. Now, I am also gonna walk you through how to install your eSIM, but in case you find yourself forgetting how to do it when the time comes, or once you've already started traveling, you will also see these details and instructions readily available within the Airalo app. You're just gonna wanna make sure that you are connected to a stable internet connection to avoid any kind of eSIM installation errors, and once installing your eSIM, don't interrupt the installation process. Keep in mind that most eSIMs can only be installed once, so be sure not to delete the eSIM from your device, or you might not be able to install it again, but so long as you make sure you're following these instructions, your eSIM should install without any kind of problems, and it should work successfully. And that really is it. It truly is that simple. This is a total game changer. You don't ever have to worry about ever again those crazy high roaming charges when you're in a different country or a different region, because Airalo not only takes the guesswork out of the process, they make it quick, easy, affordable, and fully transparent with their eSIMs. And side note, the other cool thing about Airalo as well is that they make it super quick and easy to top up your data. So if you happen to start running out of your remaining data on your eSIM plan, you could always, once again, at just the touch of a few buttons, add some more data, again, all with low costs and no hidden fees. The next time you plan on traveling abroad, do yourself a major favor and remember to take advantage of the world's first eSIM store, Airalo. If you guys are interested in learning more about Airalo or to snag an eSIM for yourself, you can head to airalo.com, download the Airalo app from the Apple App Store or the Google Play Store. And as always, yes, of course, you can find out additional information and find a clickable link for Airalo in the video description box below as well, so be sure to check that out. And now that I don't have to worry about how I'll stay connected with you guys and post on social media on my next trip, whether it's for fun or for business, I guess I have no excuse now not to book that Ireland trip after all. To the homeland. I will see you guys in my next video.